So we just shut down for the night. Want to go through a couple things that are coming up. We just finally got our mask in for the chemicals. That's the mask you want, not the 3M. So we actually have a few things coming in videos. One, I have a friend that's doing his rims. He's pretty much doing it himself. I'm gonna put it into a video. Pretty much how to powder coat 4 rims for under 150 bucks. But he's doing pretty good. Also, I just got our new powder coating machine in. You guys already saw the unboxing. The stuff is right here. Unfortunately, we tore it apart and all the parts are right here. We're gonna turn around and we're gonna pretty much powder coat it and make it our own. So this week we will be powder coating that stuff. We will do an assembly video probably next week, late next week. He's coming to finish these up Wednesday, so we will get that video out. Also, I'd like to thank Tiger Drylac. I mentioned that I was going to be doing a comparison with blacks. Maloney said Murder Black from Black Label, so we got it. We also have Ink Black, and then Tiger Drylac just sent us free their Wet Black to try that out, so that we can compare the 3 blacks. That will come out another week or 2. We got our little setup in here with powders, but pretty much that's it. So we do have a few videos coming. Sorry for it bouncing around so much. So we do have a few videos coming out in the next couple weeks. The base of that's the base of the system. And then these we're looking at, my wife likes Illusion Purple. So we're thinking about Illusion Purple for the big stuff. And then all the little attachments, doing them in orange, just because our label on the machine is orange and purple. So we do what they want us to do. So, okay guys, have a good night, and hopefully next week we have a couple videos coming out for you. Okay, have a good week, guys. Bye.